This is how the front grille is. That's the original one, but I want to change it to the one without monogram. I have it in black, and I've seen a lot of people don't paint it and use it in black, so I'll just change it and see how it looks. I think it will look much better than that. Give it a sporty look. This is how it looks after the grille swap. So I think this looks pretty cool. There's this round hole thing, but that will stay. It's the bonnet. Can't do much about it. Maybe something. But this is how it looks. Well, actually, I forgot about this. This thing comes with the grill, so I'm gonna put it here. And they have sent the glue, but I'll put it with silicone. So later, if I want to remove it, so yeah, well thought. I'll fix it now. This is how it looks after that nose plastic cover installed. It actually looks much better now. So no hole. Yeah, that's how the face looks like right now. So keep watching for more cooler golf videos and other cars, but mainly I'm working on golf these days. Yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment if you have. See you, bye.